Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought, can I create high-quality video ads without hiring a team, without expensive tools, and without spending hours editing? Well, what if I tell you there's a tool that can turn any idea into a professional video in just minutes? Today, we're going to explore an amazing platform called InVideo.io. With this tool, you can create almost anything. Video ads, explainer videos, story-based content, social media videos, and even full marketing campaigns. No matter what you imagine, InVideo helps you turn it into reality, fast and easily. Now, InVideo was already powerful, but recently they launched a brand new feature called Advertising Studio, and honestly, this changes everything. This feature is specially designed for people who want to create professional advertising content without any skills. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can use Advertising Studio to create stunning ad creatives. First, you'll find the link in the video description. Just click on that link and create your free account. Once you sign up and log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, so you won't feel confused at all. Now, here's the interesting part. On the dashboard, you'll see an option called Advertising Studio. Just click on it, and this will open a completely new creative workspace. Inside Advertising Studio, you'll see multiple powerful tools designed for marketing and product promotion. For example, Logo Designer. Create professional logos in seconds, brand mood board. Generate your full brand identity and style. Amazon A+ content. Perfect for e-commerce product listings. Thematic photography. Create styled product images. Catalog photography. Generate clean product catalogs, 360-degree product videos. Showcase your product from every angle. Now, let's start step by step and actually create something using these features. So, first of all, let's start with the Logo Designer feature. If you want to create a professional logo without any design skills, this tool makes it super easy. Now you'll enter the Logo Creation workspace. Here, you can design a high-quality, premium logo using your brand name, colors, fonts, and overall style. To get even better results, you can upload a reference image. This helps the AI understand what kind of design you're looking for. Once you upload the reference, select how many logo variations you want to generate, and then click on the Generate button. Now, the AI will start processing, and within a few seconds, your logo will be ready. As you can see, the results look very clean and professional, but what's even more powerful is you can edit it further. Just click on the pencil icon, and here you can simply type what changes you want. For example, I'll type, I want a dark background with a more premium look. Click on Generate, and instantly, the logo updates based on your instruction. That's the real power of Advertising Studio. You don't edit manually, you just describe what you want. Now, let's move to the next feature. Here we have Catalog Photography. This is perfect if you want to create stylish product or fashion campaign images. Just click on it, enter your project name, and upload your product or model images. After uploading, simply click on Generate. The AI will process your images and transform them into professional, studio-quality visuals. And as you can see, the output looks like a real brand photo shoot. You can create these types of images in seconds, without hiring models, photographers, or studios. Now, let's try another powerful feature, 360-degree product video. This one is really impressive. All you need to do is upload an image. For example, I'll upload an image of a person holding a bag. Now, here's the best part. The AI will automatically detect the main product in the image, in this case, the bag, and ignore the background or unnecessary elements. Once you click Generate, it starts processing. And after it's done, you'll see that the tool has isolated the product and converted it into a smooth 360-degree rotating video. This is extremely useful for e-commerce stores and product ads. Next, we have the Hero Shot feature. This is used to create high-end, eye-catching product ads. Just click on it, upload your product image, like I have this Oreo biscuit image, and hit Generate. Wait for a few seconds. And now you can see the result, a stunning cinematic product video that looks like a professional advertisement. So as you can see, with Advertising Studio, you can create logos, product photos, 360-degree product videos, high-end ad creatives, all in just a few clicks. No skills, no expensive tools, no time wasted. If you want to try it yourself, the link is available in the description. Go ahead, test it out, and start creating your own professional ads today. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.